Makeup time! So this makeup look is inspired by Morticia from the Addams Family. My eyeshadow decided to fall and become smithereens, I suppose. So I'm going to start with the silver, the messed up silver, and I'm going to apply that to my lid like so. And then, repeat the process on my other eyeball, because that's what I do. And under my waterline. And hopefully I don't jab myself in the eyeball with eyeshadow, because that would be painful. And then I'm going to apply some powdered eyeliner to my crease. I feel like this have a more dramatic effect, and with my skin being a darker complexion, I usually go for the more dramatic effects to make my colors show. So I'm blending it now, and after I'm done blending it, I'm actually going to do this step again over the layer that I just applied. And I was nodding because I'm actually talking in the video, and I was complaining about how dirty my brushes are because I do my makeup only on myself, and I'll be like, I need to clean my brushes. And then I wonder why I have pimples. Like, that's why you need to clean your brushes. So my next video will be of me cleaning out my cabinet and my brushes. So that is going to be lit, my friends. So yeah, now I'm just blending, and then after this I am going to add white to my brow bone, and I'm going to literally just do the exact same steps over this layer, because with my complexion it just doesn't show, and I want it to show. So stay tuned. And I feel like these extra steps that I'm taking to make the color show would probably be avoided, because I should probably use higher quality products. And this is actually just my highlight, and I am going to put that on my brow bone and then apply the white, because when I had just applied the white by itself, it did not show. So when I put like concealer underneath or my highlight, it shows, because it helps it adhere to the skin, and concealer also covers, like, obviously my old brow piercing. And now I'm doing my liner, and actually this is really hard right now because I feel like I am on a TV show, and I had a pup staring at me the whole entire time, and it was super uncomfortable. So I'm like shaking, like, oh my god, she's just looking at me, and I am nervous. So yeah, that is what was happening there. But I didn't do that bad. So I was just like, okay, I'm just not going to even touch it. I wanted to like adjust it a little bit. But then I was like, I'm just going to leave it alone. Just leave it alone, Ty. Just leave it alone, Ty. And then I did. So now I'm on the other eye, and yeah, hopefully I don't jab myself in the eye in this one, because I seem to do that quite a bit. And then after I'm done with that, that is the look, and no more blabbing from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope that you like this makeup look, because I do. And my Morticia look, I feel like, was pretty awesome. Peace, love, and tie out.